Hi guys, I am Devoshmita from Two Busy Bums, and in our channel we make all the cloth diapering related videos. If you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button and follow us on our social media. In today's video, after getting a lot of requests from you guys, I am just going to do a quick unboxing of the package from Super Bottoms, and I actually got it from one of my friend, and that's why I don't have the Super Bottoms pack. I mean, this is what it came in, and then this is the kind of the recycled paper they are using for sending their packages now, which I really liked. And also the other thing I noticed is their bag is kind of like a poly cotton, or more like a cotton, not like the polyester material they were using earlier, which I like as well. And here I have a Uno 2.0 shell, and they marked it at 651, and then I got it with the magic soaker, which is 239, and then I have a booster pad, it says 160, and all of this I got at around, I think, like 800 rupees. So it was a kind of a good deal for me, and it's new, so I got it from her rather than the website. And I'll just open it and show you guys how it looks like and what I feel like for now. Then later I will have a review coming in after I get a good use of it. A lot of parents wants to know how is the shell, so that they can use this for nighttime with the flats, and a lot of people have caregivers who can easily use this shell. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you. That is the bag, and here it comes with the booklet. It says the instruction book, like read it before you throw it, so that you know how to use it. And then here it says how to hand wash, machine wash, and how to use this diaper. Then this is the print that I got, is called Dino Family, I believe. And one thing I feel like, the last diaper I had, the PUL kind of feels different, but I do not have the last diaper that I had from Super Bottoms, that is the Uno, just the Uno, not the 2.0. But I mean, it's a little rough on the side, but we'll see how it works. And let me just open this booster pad as well. Here I have the booster from with the magic soaker. So basically looks like a wipe. You fold it in this way, then it will be like a booster pad. If you need to, you can tri-fold, it will be even trimmer. And this is, not sure, probably like 4 layers, and folded gives 8 layers, or I think like 3 layers, and folded gives 6 layers. And then here, this is how this looks like. The shell have only 2 snaps, and inside I got the magic soaker. Here is the magic soaker. On top it has the stay dry lining, and this fleece is very thick, which I'm not a big fan of. It will make the diaper bulky. I mean, I don't like this thick fleece. I personally like suede because they are more trimmer. This is how the magic soaker looks like, and you basically can put the booster here. You can also put the booster inside, doesn't matter how you like to put it. You can put it in the front or in the back, wherever your baby wets the most. And this is all organic cotton, works fine for the daytime. For nighttime, you will definitely need some kind of booster along with this pad. And here is the shell, the 2.0. I mean, honestly, to me it looks kind of small just to look at, because this sides looks pretty small. I mean, this sides look small. And another thing I just noticed, which I didn't know, is this one do not have any pocket. For the Uno, I like to use the pocket because I don't like to keep it just on top, because in that way when the baby poops, it goes in the insert, and sometimes I find that the insert stains and it's hard to get the stain out from the organic cotton, but it's easy to get the poop off from this top, like the micro suede or the micro fleece. And as I said, this is kind of a different kind of micro fleece that they have used than the last one. This one feels a little thicker, which I also feel might make the baby warmer, but I mean, I will use and see how it looks like. This have a tummy panel, so which helps that so that the wetness don't get into their clothes, which they also have with their regular Uno. Then they have the snaps here to put your insert or the magic soaker in this one, and when you put it on the baby, you just kind of put it on the baby, and you are supposed to snap with the top row for a bigger baby and with the bottom row for a smaller baby. That's how you size this diaper. Basically, this is a very trim crotch diaper which will fit a smaller baby. Don't have the rise setting in the front, and I feel like one of the reason they came up with this is because the Charlie Banana, they comes with no rise setting in the front, and they are kind of getting the Indian market because of that. But they do come with the elastic set that you can pull in the leg and make the leg hole smaller or bigger. So that is where Super Bottoms came up with this one, where you can set the rise setting by the snaps only. So you just put like this and you make the diaper smaller, and then you put it on the top row, you're gonna get a taller rise. But what I personally feel is when you're putting the snap on the bottom one, this is not going anywhere, so you're only getting a smaller leg hole, but the rise of the diaper is still gonna be the same. So I'm going to go ahead use it on the boys. One of my boys is 4 years old, the other one is 20 months old. I will see how it looks on them. For my 4-year-old is almost 15 kgs, my 20-month-old is 10.5 kg. So I'll use it and see. I mean, from the first look, it looks like pretty small diaper to me, but I'll just go ahead and use it so that I can give you guys a better review about this diaper with the magic soaker, because earlier I had the regular soaker and this time got it with the magic soaker. I hope you guys like the unboxing video, and stay tuned for our review of this diaper. If you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button and follow us on our social media. Until our next video, love your babies.